guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome. Thanks for stopping by, and please look at that red button there. Kindly help to press it so that you will subscribe to this channel. It helps the growth of this channel. And after subscribing, please, I beg you to please press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. You'll be the first to know about it. And to my returning subscribers, thanks very much, guys. Thanks. I appreciate each and every one of you. You are my encouragement. You are the one that motivates me to do more video. So thank you very much, guys. And to my unsubscribed viewers, please go a little bit further by subscribing. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos, but I really want you to subscribe so that you can become part of this growing family. So today, I'm going to make a very quick recipe. It's beef stir fry. I'm going to make beef stir fry. So I'll show you my ingredients. Then we get my ingredients for my beef stir fry. So here I have my marinated beef. Sorry about that sound. I have my garlic paste here. I have this, it's called courgettes. I don't know what you call it. This is it, courgettes or courgettes, whatever. I have courgettes. I have one scotch bonnet. I have my, you remember I prepped this a few weeks ago, spring onion. So I just brought it out from the freezer now. I have my spring onion there. Then I have one red onions. I have 2 red pepper, 2 green pepper, and 2 yellow pepper. I have, because I'm going to cook beef stir fry, I have my beef jumbo stock here. I have ground ginger. I have soy sauce. I have parsley, as you all know that I love parsley. I have my Irish rapeseed oil, and I have thyme. Yeah, I have thyme. So these are my ingredients. All ingredients here will be used for my beef stir fry. So guys, let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. So I'm not going to use a lot of seasoning. I want to keep it simple. So that's it. So the first step is to cut my peppers. So I've finished cutting my pepper, and I have my meat here. I've cut my onions. So the next thing is to fry. The next stage is to fry my beef. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Let's go then. around a little bit of ginger. I don't need to measure that. Use it as you want. 1 teaspoon of thyme. So my beef stock goes in next, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, so that I'll be sure this meat is nicely cooked. So we're going to cover it for 10 minutes, so that I'll be very sure that it's fully cooked. So it's dry enough. Then our pepper is going inside, and we don't want to make it so soft, so we're going to be careful not to make the pepper to be too soft. If it's too soft, it will not be nice. So we're going to be changing it. I'll be turning it quickly, then we'll remove it from the heat, so that it will remain crunchy. That is the beauty of it. Crunchy. It's so full, isn't it? So let me quickly add my soy sauce. Add soy sauce to your preference. I love it in my sauce, so I'm going to add a lot of it. So if you feel like thickening it, if it's too watery, but I think mine is not that watery. So if you have too much water in your own stir fry, you can use cornstarch. Cornstarch will make it. If you add cornstarch to a little bit of water, small amount of water, then you pour it in, it will thicken it. But this is just right. I'll put my spring onion. So guys, if you like what you are seeing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and press the notification button, so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. I love it crunchy. And you can add more water, so that there will be enough sauce for you to eat your, if it is rice or pasta or whatever you are eating. So you can add a little bit more of water. This is our finished stir fry sauce. So we're going to serve it now with, you can serve it with whatever you like. I'm going to eat my own with couscous. I'm going to eat my own with couscous, and my children will eat their own with rice. So please guys, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks very much for watching, and bye.